Where can I buy a replacement case for my Bose earbuds?
Hello, and welcome to our guide on finding a replacement case for your Bose earbuds. Whether you've lost your original case or it's been damaged, we're here to help you find a suitable replacement.
Why do I need a replacement case?
The case for your Bose earbuds is not just about storing them. It's also crucial for charging and protecting your earbuds. Without the case, the earbuds would not last nearly as long. Therefore, if your original case is lost or damaged, you need a replacement as soon as possible.
Where can I buy a replacement case?
You can purchase a replacement case for your Bose earbuds from a variety of sources. 1. Bose's official website or store. The first place to check would be the official Bose store or their website. It's always good to check the manufacturer first, as they often provide original replacement parts for their products. 2. Electronic retail stores. Many physical and online electronics retail stores also sell accessories for popular brands like Bose. 3. Online marketplaces. Websites like Amazon and eBay often have replacement parts for popular electronic devices, including Bose earbud cases. Remember, it's important to ensure that the replacement case is compatible with your specific model of Bose earbuds.
How do I make sure it's the right case?
Before you make a purchase, you need to verify that the replacement case is compatible with your Bose earbuds model. Each model of Bose earbuds may have a specific case design, and not all cases are interchangeable. You can usually find the model name or number on the original packaging, in the user manual, or on the earbuds themselves. We hope this guide has helped you find a suitable replacement case for your Bose earbuds. Remember, the case is essential for charging and protecting your earbuds, so it's important to find a replacement if your original one is lost or damaged. Ensure the case you choose is compatible with your specific model of Bose earbuds. Happy listening, and thank you for watching our guide.